Do you know someone with asthma? How would you feel if you knew it had an impact on their everyday battle with the chronic condition? Hi, I'm your host Awalia, and these are Smokey Days in the Clouds. According to the CDC, in the US there are currently 24.9 million people living with asthma. Air pollution negatively affects people with asthma as the pollutants such as gases, particles, and smoke swell the airways and increase mucus production. According to the EPA, air pollution can make asthma symptoms worse and trigger attacks, which leads to that all-familiar cough. Essentially, air pollution can be linked to asthma in many cases, leading to an issue that is evolving worldwide. Hear more about this from an expert in this field, Dia Reddy.
Hi, I'm Dia Reddy, an expert in environmental science. A common cause for air pollution is the motor exhaust found in gas cars.
What? Tell me more, Dia.
Yeah. According to the Asthma Allergy Foundation of America, 13% of annual pediatric asthma, which is asthma found in kids, are linked to the nitrogen dioxide which is released from these exhausts. These particles and gases irritate airways, further leading to aggravated asthma symptoms and increased risk of respiratory illness. Also, according to the EPA, in the U.S., ozone and particulate matter are estimated to contribute a significant portion of air pollution-related premature deaths and health problems.
Oh my goodness.
These pollutants account for 8 to 21% of air pollution-related deaths. Therefore, reducing air pollution is a crucial thing for protecting our public health, especially the vulnerable population such as asthmatic patients. This is because people with asthma are at greater risk from breathing in small particles and irritating gases. Let's bring in a real-life impacted asthma patient, Jaden.
Thank you, Dia. My name is Jaden Gottfried, and I went 15 years without asthma, but last year I developed the disease. Sorry. Air pollution worsens asthma, especially in kids, pregnant women, and seniors. Growing up in a poor area in New York City, I was exposed to pollutants such as ozone, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide, which are all found in smog, smoke, and after burning fossil fuels. These pollutants can worsen and even cause asthma. Additionally, these are found not only outdoors but indoors too, increasing the risk of exposure. Poor areas are at a higher risk, and unfortunately, this means a disproportionately higher number of asthma cases among minorities. People with asthma suffer from symptoms such as wheezing, coughing, shortness of breath, and chest pain. We need to work out a way to reduce air pollution for our own health.
Dia, what do you think could be a possible solution to decrease the progression and harmful effects of air pollution on asthma?
I think a possible solution could be that people should try to find more environmentally friendly ways for transportation. As according to 4 causes and effects of air pollution on earth.org, the burning of fossil fuels is the leading cause of air pollution. Some changes in transportation include carpooling, using public transport, using electric vehicles, and biking or walking to places which are close and not vehicle necessary.
What do you think, Jaden? How could this help?
Yes, reducing the burning of fossil fuels in transportation would be really helpful for me, as it would reduce air pollution, helping me and other asthmatic patients in the future. Additionally, this will benefit the environment as well. New York City is full of gas cars, and while we have a great subway system, citizens such as I do not use it as often as we should.
Thank you, Dia and Jaden, for your input. This is very useful information for our viewers and in the fight against air pollution. And these have been Smokey Days in the Clouds with your host, Awalia Kaba.